bitch, I look the fuck good. Are you serious? Period, poo. Child, the ghetto, the ghetto. Hey guys, it's Jimmy P. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also hit that bell button next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload all of my videos. While you're at it, go ahead and follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. We are lit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure y'all go follow me on there. Alright y'all, so today I am bringing y'all a video, another hair review per usual on this hair right here. And this is kind of like a mixed video as well. As you can tell by the title, it's going to be a giveaway video. But before we get into the giveaway, let's just get into these hair details, okay? So this hair right here, I got the Virgin Deep Wave Brazilian hair with a free part lace closure. So I got 3 bundles and a lace closure. This hair is from Donmily hair. I've done 3 reviews on this hair so far, like from different types of hairs that they have, and honestly I love their curly hair. Like, I don't know what it is about it. I feel like when it comes to curly hair, it can be a hit or a miss, just because if it's too, like, I don't know, if it's just like too much, it can get really matted really fast. This hair is always super soft. I love their hair. I will vouch for Donmily's hair. So this is the hair right here. So I wet it earlier. I combed it out and wet it earlier. So in comparison to the bundles that I had before, so I think I had the Jerry curly bundles before, and that one was a lot more kinkier, and when it dried up, it was a lot more bushy. Still very cute, but this one is a lot more looser, but not like loose, like, I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, it's a lot more looser, and just like, I don't know, I love this hair. It's so pretty. Another thing that I love about Donmily hair, I love their closures. I feel like aside from you having to pluck like the slightest bit and, you know, of course bleaching the closure, it always looks really natural. So like right now, I have not bleached the closure yet. I will be bleaching the closure, but right now the closure is not bleached. I did pluck it, but I didn't pluck it a lot. I say I went probably about 3 minutes of just plucking the hairs or whatever for the actual closure. I don't know. I just love this hair. It's so full. It's so bouncy. It's so curly. It's so nice. And what I really love about their hair, this is just really what it is. It is always so soft, like always so soft, and of course super affordable. Y'all know my channel is all about being affordable and just like inexpensive for all my girls out there that are trying to, you know, look good on a budget or whatever you want to call it. All right, so the hair that I had in my head is $217. It is on sale right now. It's usually $242. So if you do go and purchase this hair, make sure you click the link in my bio and you'll have that discounted off. So $217.99 for US sales. So make sure y'all go check that out. I do have to detangle it. You know, I can't go to sleep with my wig on because, you know, it will get tangled. But if I wake up and like I have to go rush out, it doesn't look crazy where it's like, oh my god, your hair is like matted. I've had curly hair before that literally will mat together and look like a dreadlock, like ew. So this hair, I've slept with it, I want to say like 2 days in a row. I didn't comb it, I didn't wash it, I didn't wet it or put anything in it, and it did start to get nappy like towards the back, but as far as like up here and everything, it was still very just like curly and just loose and like, you know, just real soft. So after a while, it is going to get dry. It is going to get tangled up. But I would say with this hair and just this hair, curly hair in general, it's lasted longer than a lot of other curly hairs that I've had. Does that make sense? I hope so. That is enough about the hair. I love this hair. Again, I highly recommend this hair. And because I highly recommend this hair, I want to give this hair, this wig specifically, away in my giveaway. My part 1 of 2-part giveaway that I'm doing on my channel for my 2,000 subscriber mark that I hit, and surprisingly I'm already at 3,000. Listen, I just like, what the heck. I'm going to be doing 2 giveaways, one for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway, and the second one is going to be for my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. I just want to, you know, show my like love that I have for y'all for like just supporting my channel and everything. So I figured, why not give away something that I know y'all are gonna love, and that is just like bomb.com. Like, y'all are gonna love this hair. This one is really, really close to the one that I already had, which is why I'm giving this one away. Trust me, I really don't want to. I love this one. This is my baby right now. I love this one, but I love y'all more. So I'm gonna be giving away this wig right here. So just to break down the contest rules, let's get into it. So the official rules for the first giveaway. The second giveaway is going to be coming up at the end of the first giveaway. So just stay tuned for that. But the first giveaway, the first thing that you must do, of course, if you're watching this video, you must be subscribed to my channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will be checking, so don't think you're getting over on the girl, okay? The second thing you have to be doing is following me on my Instagram. I promote my Instagram literally all over my YouTube channel. So look in the description box. I'll put it right here. Just go follow me on my Instagram. I'll also be checking that as well. Once you go ahead and follow my Instagram, while you're already over on Instagram, go ahead and shout out this particular video and tag my actual Instagram on your page. So you can do it how you want to in your Insta story. You can do it in on your actual like Instagram page. Completely up to you. And then once you've done that, you can come back over to my channel, comment down below your favorite emoji and the best way to contact you. And that is all you have to do for the first giveaway. I'll make sure to list it down in the description box. If y'all have any questions about the like giveaway contest rules and everything, let me know down below, because I think way too much and I feel like some people aren't going to get what I'm saying. But again, I'll go over it. So be subscribed to my channel, go follow me on Instagram, take a screenshot or like anything, a screen record of this video. It could be the thumbnail, it could be, you know, just whatever, but it has to be this video right here. And then go ahead and post that on your Instagram, whether it be Insta story or Instagram in general. Make sure you tag my Instagram name, which is @JIMIP_, so that I'll have that in my mentions. And then you come back to this video, comment your favorite emoji down below and the best way to contact you. I hope that makes sense. Alright y'all, so that is the end of this video. Make sure you enter the contest. Make sure you tell a friend to enter the contest. And yeah, the winner for this contest will be picked, what is it called, like generically. I have a website that I'm going to use to pick the giveaway. The second giveaway I'll be picking myself, because I see all of my supporters and I know who, like, you know, has been here from the jump, who has always supported me. So the second giveaway will be, because it's a lot more personal to me, second giveaway will be picked by me, but the first one for the hair will be picked generically. And yeah, so thank y'all so much for watching this video. Good luck on the giveaway contest. I'm so excited to be giving this hair away. If you feel uncomfortable about wearing a wig that I already worn, don't enter the giveaway. Wait for the second one, okay? I'll see y'all in my next video.